The label said Harvest Day 10, but your room was 32 degrees, so Day 8 was already past peak. Seed packets do not know your climate. The harvest calendar on Plant Mood is at plantmood.farm. Free, no login. It adjusts grow speed for room temperature using a biological growth model, same crop, different room, different cut date. It also helps you plan the exact morning for peak crispness and schedule your next sowing. Pick your crop from a drop-down grouped into microgreens and hydroponic. Every option pulls real harvest data from the plant database. Set your planting date, then drag the temperature slider from 12 to 38 degrees Celsius. A rate multiplier pill shows how much faster or slower your room grows versus baseline. 3 temperature presets jump to common scenarios. A sea room at 24 degrees, Bangkok indoor at 28, and Bangkok balcony at 32. Click each and watch the harvest window shift. The time machine lets you fast forward growth, scrub through the cycle, and watch the tray animate from empty medium to full canopy. A HUD shows phase name, crop, and simulated clock. Hit snap back to now when you are done. A horizontal timeline below shows day cards with date, phase name, and a star on days inside the harvest window. The timeline auto-scrolls to today's card. 4 dashboard outputs summarize what matters. Peak crisp moment gives a countdown and exact date time for the best cut. Harvest window shows ready through overripe dates. Estimated yield shows grams per tray and cut height. And successive planting suggests your next sow date so you always have a tray approaching harvest. Quick, free, no login. Useful every time you start a new tray. Harvest calendar link is in the description.